Okay, continuing our exploration of, you know, like working with all the tools we have discovered in modular arithmetic. Let's see what other things we can discover. So, find the remainder of 4 to the 18th when 4 to the 18th is divided with 9. So we're working with mod 9 in all of these. So, 4 to the 18th. 4 to the 18th. Okay. Mod 9. What can we discover in mod 9 that would make my life a little bit easier? Well, hmm. Well, let's think of the easiest number to work with would be like a 1, obviously. So what power of 4 mod 9 would result in it being equivalent to 1? So let's think. We have 4 to the 0th power, but that's not really going to be workable because I can't break this down in terms of like 0th powers. Not really, so let's start with 4 to the 1st, which is just 4. And we got 4 squared, which is 16. 4 to the 3rd, which is 64. Well, that number looks familiar. How about let's list multiples of 9 then. So like 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. And 9 times 7 is 63. So, I want that remainder of 1. And I know that 4 to the 3rd power is 64. And 9 times 7 is 63. So if I added 1 more to 9 times 7, I would get 64. Meaning my remainder would be 1. So I can break this problem down. I understand also that 18 is divisible with 3. So we have that 4 to the 3rd power raised to the 6th power is congruent to 64 raised to the 6th power, which is congruent to, well, 64 mod 9 is 1. Raised to the 6th power, which is just congruent to 1 mod 9. And that solves part A. Okay. Well, that was pretty easy. What else can we do? All right, well, part B says find the remainder of 19 to the 80th power. Mod 9. So, 19, well, that's 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 2 is 18. So that means that if I added 1, we would have that 19 is equivalent to 9 times 2 plus 1, a remainder of 1. So this is really just 1 to the 80th power, which is just equivalent to 1 mod 9. Okay. And we can multiply these together. Finally, for part C. So we want to find the remainder of 4 to the 18th times 19 to the 80th, which would just be the same as 1 times 1, which is just equivalent to 1 mod 9, thus giving us our answer. So, again, find those patterns, make your life easy. Multiplication by 1, super easy. Use all those nice rules that we have encountered, like exponentiation is just a very nice way to make life easy, because under exponentiation and with a little bit of skills in finding factors and stuff like that, you can simplify these incredibly complex values to just a series of ones.